The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said,
The religion will continue until the day of judgment, having 12 successors, all from Quraysh.
This hadith is recorded in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. Across history, Sunni scholars struggled to identify these 12. Some tried to fit Umayyad rulers, others Abbasids, but the lists never matched the Prophet's words. Yet in Shia tradition, the picture is clear. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said,
The first of them is Ali ibn Abi Talib, and the last is Al-Mahdi, who will fill the earth with justice.
From Imam Ali to Imam Mahdi, the 12 Imams are the true successors of the Prophet. The hadith of the 12 only fits them, and no one else.